Guys, it's Paulo, and today we are doing another tutorial on my MacBook Air. Okay, so this is a tutorial to make your own Google account. It's kind of easy, kind of tricky if you follow the directions. Okay, now, like a Google account, you know? Okay, so turn the camera. Okay, so we're on here. We're on Safari. You can also do this on mobile phones too, and also Android. Okay, so what you want to type in is accountsgoogle.com. Oh, jeez. You didn't see that, right? Okay, that's my other channel. Okay, let me get off of this. I need to sign into my other account. Oh, I have so much accounts. Hold on. I hate, my Google account. Let me get out of this. Done. Jeez. Let me get off of this. My accounts. Okay. So, actually, we're just gonna go on Google. Google.com. Okay, now. I got it in. I got everything. I have so much accounts. Use another. Okay. Now here's a sign-in thing. Okay, so now if you want to sign in, that's good. But we're looking at this button today. Create account. Press that for myself. Okay, create your Google account. First name. I'm just gonna make a gibberish thing. Gibberish. This is just a test. Okay. Yes, that's my gmail.com. Okay, password. I need to make a password. And it's not gonna be those passwords. If you try to hack into my account, it's not gonna be any of these. Okay, doing my password. Yeah, use strong password, I don't care. Next. Yes, okay, fine, I'll do like D money. D. Okay, and hey, put the I thing. Okay, there we go. You can't see it. First name is gonna be, oh, I can't put my name, so I'm gonna put Dan, and then my last name, Shad. Phone number optional. So after you do this, you want to send something to you. So you want to choose a phone number. Recovery email address, it's optional. And then your month, you want to put your month, where you were born, the day you were born, the year you were born, and then that one. And then you want to press next. Jeez. Rather not say whatever. Whatever, I'm just gonna do like a random, oh my god. It's not even a real thing, okay. It was 9, I don't care what I'm doing, just 18, 7, done. Okay, privacy Google terms. And then privacy policy. I agree. And then you have a new account. Wait, did I actually make that? Wait, hold on. It's gonna show my accounts. Oh my god. I don't know how I thought you needed to do more, but that was a tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.